Hello, my name is Yossi Blank, and I am the Chief Information Officer at StePac. We have been looking for a digitalization solution for StePac for a long time now, one that would take into consideration our needs, such as having multiple language interfaces, was easy to integrate, and easy to use. Because of our dynamic nature, we needed a technological solution that would be secure and cloud-based, so we would not have to buy additional servers and invest into new infrastructure, and that is exactly what we found with Matics. Other companies in our domain were already using Matics, and we decided to see if the Matics solution would fit our unique DNA, company vision, and even IT needs. The installation was easy and non-disruptive. Within a day or two, Matics was up and running on our shop floor. Our employees learned the system quickly, and despite some initial challenges connecting our ERP, within a few weeks we already saw a noticeable difference in our key metrics. I can wholeheartedly recommend working with Matics. This was the right solution for us at StePac, and, in my opinion, it's the right solution for many manufacturing companies. After the initial integration, control went from our IT department to our operators, and since then things have gone smoothly. We rarely have to deal with issues beyond day-to-day use of the Matics system, which let us work without disruptions. With Matics, we found a reliable business partner to help us digitalize our plant. The Matics team is extremely responsive, no matter what our needs are, and that is the most important thing for us. And we are glad we found that with Matics.
Win every shift with Matics. Book your free demo today.